even know how to do a first impressions. Have I done one of these before? I don't know, but we're gonna try. The foundation that I'm going to be doing a first impressions on today is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in Nude. Let's hope that this is the right color because they didn't have that many color selections. On the color selection, I'm gonna say no. So this foundation retails for $6. That's cheap. It's in a nice bottle. It kind of reminds me of NARS packaging. It's like frosty. It's actually really nice packaging, I'm not gonna lie. The packaging is nice, I'll give it to them. But the foundation itself doesn't have any descriptions on it. It doesn't have like the information. So the box does, but the foundation doesn't, which might bother some people. Some people might not care. I don't really care. This foundation comes with 0.68 fluid ounces. What this foundation claims is an oil-free, medium to full coverage foundation. Choose a flawless, even satin matte base. Flawless Finish Foundation delivers comfortable coverage with lasting wear. The creamy blendable formula melts into the skin for a flawless looking complexion all day long. Okay, so we'll see if that's true. So let's see. First I'm gonna put some stuff on my face because I don't have anything. Primed my face. If you guys know me, you know I don't use a primer. I haven't used a foundation primer and couldn't even tell you the last time I used one. Why is it so hard to open? Oh. Comes with a pump, so that's cool. So I'm gonna apply some to my hand. So already I can tell this foundation is super thick. It's not runny. You can see it's very thick. That's what she said. It's like a moussey consistency. That's different. So I'm hoping that this is the right color for me. And I am going out later with my friends. My friend is coming down from Vegas, so we're gonna go out. So this foundation will really be put to the test, and I'm going to be updating you guys throughout the day on how it lasts. Because if this is a good foundation, that's only $6, so that is a steal. Taking my Eco Tools sponge, and I'm just going to pounce this into my face. So far, the coverage is pretty nice. The color actually is pretty good. It may look a little washed out on camera because of the lights, but it actually matches pretty well. So it feels good. Feels light, doesn't feel cakey. And I have dry skin, if you didn't know that. So I don't hate it. I'm gonna see. Sorry, take my mirror. So I'm just going to apply one more layer, just kind of all over, just to give a little bit more coverage. But so far, I like it. So I'm just going to take it straight from the sponge and just kind of go over the places where I want a tiny bit more coverage. Make sure to blend it down your neck because nobody wants that line. So for concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Neutralizer. I swear it doesn't look this bright in person. I'm gonna blend this out with a sponge. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Nye Banana Powder. I'm going to bake. I'm going to bronze and contour my face. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm just going to take this shade right here. And I'm using a Morphe M530 brush. So already I can see the foundation is a little bit matte, but that's okay. I'm just using an e.l.f. blush brush. So if you guys watch my videos, you know that I always use the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and this foundation does feel a little bit tacky compared to that one. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna do my blush and highlight. For blush, I'm gonna be taking my ABHxAmrezy blush palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. My eyes are like red and pink tones. I'm gonna take this mauve pink blush. Just apply a little bit of this. I'm taking the Anastasia and ABHxAmrezy highlighter. It's my favorite highlighter ever. I finish my eyes and then I'll be right back. So I'm gonna spray my face, and I'm using the Arcade by Kiss Never Touch Up setting spray, and I actually really like this stuff. Am I the only person that sets their eyebrows with freaking mascara, waterproof mascara? It's like, so for lips, I'm taking the NYX matte lip liner in London. Let's see how this is. So, this is the foundation. I actually am very impressed. I feel like it matches me pretty well. It is definitely matte, but was full coverage, and it did cover up all of the things that one would want to cover up on their face. I actually like it. It does come with a pump. It is a thicker consistency as opposed to more runny consistency like the Pro Glow foundation that I am obsessed with. So I have to obviously try it a few times before I give you guys my 100%. Like, if I use it more often, then you know that I really like it. I'm the type of person that I do like to switch up on different products, but when I really fuck with something, I will use it all the time. Hence why I've been using the Fit Me concealer and the Pro Glow foundation for so long because I really fuck with those products heavy. And the same with like the Anastasia Dip Brow. Nothing compares to that. I use it every single day. I switch up the products sometimes, but for the most part, like that's my go-to. Very impressed that it does have a pump, and I really do like the packaging of it. The smell is not bad, doesn't bother me, it doesn't have a strong scent. See how it wears throughout the day. I'll film another video right now, and then I'm gonna update you guys throughout the day on how the foundation is holding up and how it looks after a couple hours and all that stuff, so you guys can see how it actually lasts throughout the day, because foundation can look good in pictures or it can look good for right when you put it on, but if it doesn't look good throughout the day, what's the point of the foundation, you know? Okay, so update. I'm gonna turn this light off so you guys can see a little bit better. So it's basically like, I don't know, it's kind of like breaking up a little bit right here on my chin, and it's starting to get a little dry around my mouth area, which is not good. But I'm gonna continue to wear it, and I'm gonna wear it throughout the day. And like I said, I'm gonna keep checking in with you guys to let you know exactly how I feel about this foundation. But so far it's looking a little dry, so I'm gonna spray some setting spray. All my other foundations that I use, I never have to do this, so that's a red flag. Okay guys, so I've been wearing this foundation for about 6 hours now, and it's kind of like, you can see it's like dry. Excuse my breakouts because your girl's breaking out a lot. I would say I'll give this foundation like a 7 out of 10. My final thoughts on it. It's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. I'm gonna try different techniques of wearing it. Maybe I didn't apply enough oil. Maybe it needs a primer. I don't know. So I'm gonna try other things, and I will let you guys know in other videos. But for right now, so it's okay. My friend was like, yeah, I wouldn't wear that foundation again. I'm like, bitch. So that's my final thoughts on this foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Also turn on the post notifications so you guys can get updated every time I upload a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.